Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming the simple, often overlooked, used spark plug into a powerful, versatile welding tool. First, I'm starting by thoroughly cleaning this old spark plug. I'm using a specialized WD-40 cleaning solution and a small brush to clean it while it spins in the drill to ensure the surface is completely clean. Now that it's clean, I'm wiping it down with a paper towel. Next, I'm securing the spark plug in a vise. My goal here is to carefully disassemble it. I'm using pliers to grip and unscrew the connector. I'm currently using an angle grinder to reshape the metal casing, which helps me detach the ceramic core from the metal casing. Now I need to carefully separate the center electrode from the metal tip of the spark plug. I will use a hammer and nails to gently tap to separate the ceramic core from the spark plug. I make sure to tap gently and evenly to pierce straight through without cracking the ceramic. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm placing the ceramic piece back into the clamp and using the angle grinder again. This time, I'm carefully shaping the outer surface of the ceramic. Using my drill, I'm creating a precise hole through this metal component. This hole will be used to attach our new welding electrode securely. After drilling the hole, I'm now inserting a screw into the hole I just drilled in this piece of metal. This connection is vital as it begins to form the robust base of our new welding tip. To ensure everything is firmly in place and to prevent any movement during use, I'm applying a few drops of super glue. This will create a strong, lasting bond for the assembled components of our welding tip. Next, I'm preparing a metal rod that will become the main handle of our welding tool. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I've already begun to flatten one end to create a suitable surface for securely attaching the spark plug assembly. I'm using a hammer to flatten both ends of this metal bar. I'm drilling a hole for the flattened part of the rod. This hole will perfectly align with the hole on our modified spark plug component, allowing us to bolt them together. This ensures a tight and stable connection between the handle and the welding tip. I'm now refining the flattened end with the angle grinder. This step is about shaping it and giving it a precise edge. Now I'm preparing the electrical connection for the handle. I will strip a piece of red wire and wrap it tightly around the screw at the end of the metal rod. This ensures a direct and strong electrical path. I'm now wrapping all the exposed electrical connections and the base of the handle with black electrical tape. This provides crucial insulation, preventing any accidental short circuits or shocks during use. It also makes the grip more comfortable. I'm removing the screw at the end of the metal rod. This hole will precisely hold the welding electrode in place. I'm carefully attaching the modified spark plug tip to the metal rod handle. This creates a sturdy connection for the overall structure, ready for the welding electrode. To connect our tool to a power source, I'm preparing a red electrical cable. I'll strip the end of the wire and securely crimp it into this robust crocodile clip. And now for the second connection point. I'm repeating the exact process with a yellow electrical wire and another crocodile clip. This will be connected to our workpiece to complete the electrical circuit for welding. I'm carefully connecting the alligator clip from the red wire to the positive terminal of the car battery and the black clip to the negative terminal. I'm securing the welding rod to the spark plug and tightening it to complete the soldering process. I will test my homemade welding machine by welding these two metal bars together. See those intense sparks? That's the concentrated energy in action. Our homemade welding tool is generating a strong, controlled arc, allowing us to perform small welding tasks effectively. This truly demonstrates how powerful this simple DIY device can be when made with ingenuity. Our incredible multifunctional welding tool, ingeniously made from a humble spark plug. This DIY project proves that with a little creativity and effort, you can achieve amazing things and create practical tools from the most unexpected items. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.